In this video, I will show you how to open a Revolut account. So you can just go and follow along on your phone, and the first step is to click on the link in the description. By clicking on the link in the description, it will take you to this web page, and if you sign up through the link in the description and order a Revolut card and make 3 purchases of at least €5, then you will get a reward. I think it's €20. I'm not entirely sure how much it is. For me it was 20. So if you want to get it as well, click on the link in the description, then here choose the country you're in by clicking on the country code. So automatically it's set to the UK, but for example, I am in the Netherlands, so I can just search Netherlands right here, and then here go and enter your mobile number. Then once you click on get started, it will say success, and it will then take you to the App Store, where you can go and download the Revolut app. Now I already have it, so I'll just open it up now. And now here you want to click on sign up. Now Revolut doesn't allow you to screen record this, but basically now you again need to enter your phone number. Then you will need to enter some personal details such as your name, age, and you will actually need to verify your identity by uploading a picture of some kind of an identity card. So it could be your driving license, it can be a passport or an ID card. Those are usually the 3 options, and you will need to be over 18 years old. Now after you follow those steps, they will quickly review your account, see if it checks out, and then for me it was within about 15 minutes I had opened up my account. So just click on the link in the description, enter your phone number, then you will need to download the app and it will take you there directly. From there just click sign up, and then after you follow these steps right there, so that's the ones I just went over, so entering your phone number, stuff like that. After you do that, you have successfully signed up for Revolut. So now you know how to open a Revolut account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.